Basically, my research work was based in analyze what could be the future of the oil and gas industry for a Colombian context, but it could be applied for a national and the world context. And basically, we explore different scenarios to analyze what could be the decarbonization options, let's say energy efficiency, low emission fuels, also decarbonization technologies as CCUS, among others, and explore what could be the future in terms of decarbonization for the oil and gas industry. When you start a research work, you have to be resilient. You have to keep focus on your research because you many times you can feel a little bit disappointed because the results, or because you don't have enough information, or because you have to wait for some review. Um, so I think the main challenge in this case was the lack of information, of available information for the study. So we have to spend a lot of time researching, searching again for that information.
Okay, okay. So what was the in between all these challenges, what was the motivation which kept you going?
The motivation was my family, of course, in the personal terms, but also I have the magnificent opportunity to count with a supervisor and co-supervisor from the university and also from Ecopetrol that give me basically every week support to keep research and working in that topic. So it's too important to have a circle that supports your research. That was my motivation. The motivation was my family, of course, in the personal terms, but also I have the magnificent opportunity to count with a supervisor and co-supervisor from the university and also from Ecopetrol that give me basically every week support to keep research and working in that topic. So it's too important to have a circle that supports your research. That was my motivation. For new or young people or person who are starting a research, my advice would um, is to define what do you want to do in your research. That's the first thing. The second is make sure that you want to do that. Uh, and the third is keep going, work not every day, but work um, every day you can support, or you can make a little bit contribution in your research. And the fourth advice I would like to give to that people is please remember that this just is could be a job, uh, so you have to keep a balance between job or work research and family or personal time. It was a really good experience because we the conference gathered people from all countries. So it was, for example, in my case in Colombia, was special to be basically at the night, but other people was in the morning and other people was in the afternoon. So it was a great experience to see all these different countries, persons from different countries connected to the conference. Also, I would like to highlight that it was a conference for different topics, so it was a challenge. It was a good challenge to make or to explain your research to a different kind of public. So that's a good experience in not just to specialize public, but also you need to make sure that everything understand your research. So I think this conference on these spaces are great and keep going for for basically that's just an exercise that need to be going because many persons uh could be found this kind of experience insightful.
Thank you so much for giving us your time and for sharing your thoughts with us. It was very nice talking to you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day. So thank you.
Have a great day. Thank you. Hope to see you soon.